Hello guys, my name is Rahul and welcome back in the leetcode series. So today I will explain about two more questions. So let me share my screen and yeah, you can see the first one is the length of last word and second one is the longest common prefix. So I will start with the first one, length of last word. So you first you need to understand the description. Whenever you try to solve any of the question in any platform, first you need to start with the description. When you are getting the logic in your mind, after you can start with the coding. Don't jump into the direct coding. First you need to understand the description properly. So the question is the length of last word, and in this question they have given a string S consisting of words and the space. Return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space character only. Means the words, whichever words, we want to find the last word, and that words uh, have only the uh, alphabetical characters only, right? So they have mentioned a word is a maximal substring consisting non-space character only. Means uh, non-space character last words non-space character. We not need to take space, right? We just find and return the uh, words and yeah, so we need to return the length of the words. So here we will take one example. We have a hello words, right? So the last word is hello, and in the second one example we have a uh, space starting with the space, fly me to the moon, and after some other space in the end of the string, right? So in what happened in this, we need to remove this space before and the after. Yeah, okay. So we not need to consider this space. We just take this N O O M and this word. After we are getting this space, we just break it, right, and return the length of this word. And another third example also, we have one string and we want to just print the length of this joy boy. So this example is the very it's the simple. You are understanding, right? So what is your approach? So in this example, uh, we have different so many approach you can solve by this example. Okay, you can take one variable and taking the string and removing the uh, end and the starting uh, space and running the loop. Uh, Start with the end of the string, and whenever the find the empty, you just need to print. You just need to break it loop and the print the last length of the words, right? So instead of removing space, it will take some extra memory, right? So avoid them. I will use one variable flag. Now, the flag is in this question. The flag is very important role happen. So in this example, you can see the I will take the one example, one flag variable, and we are starting the loop with the n minus 1 means the length of the s, minus 1 means the last character of the string, and this will run till to the 0, and the condition we have given I minus minus, right? So first we check if the character, if the characters it's empty, then what we need to do, we just uh, okay. So what if the character is empty, then what we need to do, we just we are not anything do, right? Because some of the question that have some extra space in the last last end of the string, right? And some of the cases that have nothing space. So we need to take care of both these. So if we are finding any space, we not need to do anything, right? We are not breaking the loop. We are not adding the string. So we are not do anything. And if what happens if we are not find any empty, so what we are not need to do, we are just flag become the true and increase start to increase the length of the words, right? So here we are starting the adding, and the flag will become the true because we are finding n words, and whenever we are catching with another space, so we need to break it and return the str. So it is a very simple approach. So this all about the this question, length of the last word, and another question is the longest common prefix, right? So this is the also the sim easy type of question, but we need to write some extra logics here, because in this question, first we need to understand the description, right? Write a function to find the longest common prefix string. What we need to do, write a function to find the longest common prefix string among an array of string. Uh, is there is no common prefix, return an empty string. Mean, in this example, it says like we have, you are given a one array of string, and you need to find the prefix, longest common prefix string, means that are matching with the all string, all of the elements of all of the string of an array. So okay, first we will take the using the example we are better understanding, right? So in this example we have one array of string flower, flow, and the flights. So what we need to print, we need to print the longest common prefix string. So what which one is the longest common prefix string that are matches with in all of the string? So fl that are match, fl also this are match, and fl here also the match, right? It's a substring, so we are printing the fl. In the second one, d dog that are not matching with any of the words of uh, that are not any of other words that are not starting with the t. So we are not checking with the other condition, right? Because we want each and every element that are some one word, at least one word that are matching. Then after we are checking the another condition. If we are not finding any of the word in the second string, uh, so we are just return the empty. We are not need to check again the string also. So these are the question And how? What is the approach? So here, what we need to do? We are running one loop. First of all, we are checking. We are giving the one condition like suppose the str is empty. And what we need to do? We are just return the empty string because the str is already empty. So we are return the empty string. And after we are taking the one uh, str, uh, str of 0 means the first index of array, right? So using the first index, we are comparing with the other string, and we are starting with the loop with the first one index means the here we are starting with the loop and check all the strings like uh, we are starting with the flow, okay, and we have a prefix this and we are checking this using this condition str of I dot index of prefix means this is the inbuilt method in the array. What it's written the uh, it's written the index. If we are matching with the prefix, it will return the index. If we are not matching with the prefix inside the string, it will return the -1. So we are running the one white loop and we are checking that if this prefix is matching with this, means it will return the 0 because we want starting, right? We want the starting of this uh, string. We don't want to we not uh, if we are flow is we are starting with a and flow another, so it is we are not considering this because we want the longest common prefix, right? So we are checking this condition and it will check the prefix. It's inside prefix it's the substring of uh, sts str I index string or not. If it's not, then it will go inside this, and it will what we need to do, we are just removing one we are removing removing the characters from the prefix, and after we are checking again with using the while loop, and we are checking we are checking con continuously and removing the one characters, right? Whether we are not finding the prefix that are inside the flow, right? So first we are taking this and the FLO, it we are finding this. So the prefix bit become the FLO. Now in the third thing we are checking this. So this is not match. So we are running again while loop and we are removing the O and again check if FL is matched, then yeah, FL is matched, then the loop is end, and also the str is completed. Str dot length is completed. So it will return the prefix and the final result is FL. So it will return the FL, right? That's all about both are the questions. So we will back with another question in the next day. Thank you. Thank you so much.